Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Keychron Q5 Max wireless custom mechanical keyboard. I've been looking through the internet and analyzing its specifications, features, and overall value. And if you're a keyboard enthusiast, programmer, gamer, or productivity user looking for a premium mechanical keyboard, this is one of the most impressive options currently available. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that stands out is the build quality. The Q5 Max features a full CNC-machined aluminum body that immediately feels premium and extremely durable. Unlike plastic keyboards that can flex or feel hollow, this keyboard has a solid, high-end construction that gives every keystroke a satisfying and refined feel. It's the kind of keyboard that feels like a long-term investment rather than a disposable accessory. The layout is another major highlight. Keychron uses a 96% layout, which retains the number pad while reducing the overall footprint compared to a traditional full-size keyboard. This design gives users nearly all the functionality of a full-size keyboard while saving valuable desk space. For productivity users who rely on a numpad but don't want an oversized keyboard, this layout is an excellent compromise. Connectivity is where the Q5 Max really shines. It supports ultra-fast 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth connectivity, and wired operation. The 2.4 GHz mode delivers low-latency performance that is ideal for gaming, while Bluetooth makes it easy to switch between multiple devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This flexibility makes the keyboard equally useful for work, gaming, and everyday use. The included Gateron Brown switches offer a balanced typing experience with tactile feedback without excessive noise. They provide a noticeable bump during key presses that many users enjoy for both typing and gaming. Since the keyboard is hot-swappable, you can easily replace the switches later without soldering if you want a completely different typing feel. Customization is another area where the Q5 Max excels. Full QMK and VIA support allow users to remap keys, create macros, and customize layouts to fit their workflow. Whether you're a programmer, content creator, or power user, having that level of control can significantly improve productivity. RGB backlighting adds both style and functionality. Users can customize lighting effects, colors, and brightness levels to match their setup. While RGB won't improve performance, it certainly enhances the premium feel and visual appeal of the keyboard. Compatibility is also excellent. The Q5 Max works with Mac, Windows, and Linux systems, making it a versatile choice regardless of your preferred platform. Keychron continues to be one of the few manufacturers that gives equal attention to both Mac and Windows users. Typing comfort is another strength. The gasket-mounted design and premium internal construction help create a softer, more refined typing experience compared to many traditional mechanical keyboards. Combined with the aluminum frame and quality switches, the overall feel is exceptionally satisfying. After reviewing everything this keyboard offers, it's clear that the Keychron Q5 Max targets users who want a premium custom keyboard experience without having to build one from scratch. The combination of aluminum construction, wireless flexibility, hot-swappable switches, QMK customization, and multi-platform support makes it one of the strongest mechanical keyboards in its category. So should you buy it? If you're looking for a high-end mechanical keyboard that delivers exceptional build quality, extensive customization options, and excellent wireless performance, then yes, I think the Keychron Q5 Max is absolutely worth considering. It offers the premium typing experience that enthusiasts love while remaining practical enough for everyday work and gaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.